Self-Care Up Here, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, y'all, I'm at work currently.
Okay, just let me know if you need any backup, okay?
Okay. So yeah, y'all, I'm at work currently, and I just want to make a video on my 9 to 5 series that I have going on of me taking her with me to quit my job. But yeah, so where I left off was them telling us what to do, can't be on my phone, this and the third. Hi guys, this is Kiki on a Self-Care Apparel, and I'm back with another video. I seen from Monday I did not come back, so I want to come back. It is currently 9:02 on a Tuesday, 9:02 p.m. And I just want to say, yeah, they decided switching my hours to a better schedule now since I'm trying to move and leave, which is crazy to me because I've been wanting that change, but okay. And then two, y'all, I'm so tired of these 9 to 5s telling me to get off my phone when I'm not getting off my phone. I make money. I make money off my phone, okay? I have a business that I have to run while I'm at work so I can keep up the consistency that I am doing. And then three, these 9 to 5 jobs is not gonna have my mental health no motherfucking more. Okay? My bad, YouTube, but no more. No more. And that's all for this video, y'all. I'm about to close out this video because it need to be closed out the day I started. But apparently stuff happened. So if you like more talk videos, if you like the 9 to 5 series, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be back with another video. Bye. Hey y'all, this is Kiki, owner of Self-Care Apparel, and I'm back with another video. Oh, this front camera do not look its best right now, but it will do for this moment. So yesterday around like 3, oh, car ain't got no headlights on, his bugs bothering me, right? Oh. So that vlog from yesterday at 3:03 p.m. It was me gibberish talking, ranting, whatever, to extend my other video that I was going to drop for y'all, but I couldn't. So I'm learning a lot with YouTube and what it's doing now. They want longer videos for reposting. If you want short videos, that is for reels. I'm learning that. So right now, currently today, around like 8:50, somewhere 8:59, 8:58. Eventually, I will put the time this video was recorded. I'm heading out to the store because I gotta get stuff for a cookout. So I want to do this now instead of later with some more stuff. Hair is kind of like, you know, whatnot type style. I might do this for work because I'm kind of like in the puffy, little crinkly type vibes, you know. Kind of liking it with the little clear bag, you know, looking cutesy. But yeah, so that extended video is currently me blobbing, gibberish, whatnot. And then I'm gonna actually make another video for you guys. Let y'all know updates of the 9 to 5, because that's what really I want to vlog more about until I'm out. Until I'm out and I'm making my own money, because I'm taking y'all with me. So yeah, so stay tuned, babes. I'm closing out yesterday's video for today's video. If you like what you see, Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.